Hey guys, it's Cody with Irie-AT here. Hey, listen, it's been 2 years since we've updated our Tactile Graphics toolbox. And so if you can imagine, there's a lot of new tricks and products and features that are available out there. So what we're gonna be doing is putting together a video series showing you all of the tough stuff that's out there that's really hard to do, you know? Like creating maps and graphs, showing how to use our variable dot heights. We wanna show you how to use complex equation editors to automatically generate formulas into Nemeth or UEB or whatever table you prefer, as well as maybe importing your tactile graphic into your Duxbury document. Our first video that we're going to be generating is creating formula generated tactile graphs. So why don't you check us out and see what you think.
Welcome to Irie-AT, Braille and Innovation.
So all right, here we go. So first you're going to want to open your TactileView software program. Then over on the left-hand side, you're going to want to select the graph icon of the toolbar. And so once you select the graph icon, you actually get a submenu. And in that submenu, you're going to select Add Custom Graph using your keyboard input. And you'll receive a dialog box that pops up where you can either, and there's a list of available functions that you can choose from, or you can enter your equation manually, as I'm doing so here. So we're going to go with cosine 4 times x. You'll notice I hit apply, and you'll notice over our little preview window changes, and we have a little graph in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and select OK, and boom, there you go. You not only have your graph there, you also have your equation listed at the top. As you can see, you can scale it, move it around, center it, do whatever you please. In addition to that, if you right-click, and you get a drop down, I'm going to select Formula 2. We can add an additional formula to this thing. So we're going to go y equals 2 times x plus 4. I'm going to go ahead and hit apply. You'll notice in the print preview, we get our line. You notice it's a different color as well. And there you go. We now have 2 formulas on the same graph. And you'll notice that the dot pattern is not only is the line a different color, but it's also a different dot pattern so that the individual can distinguish between the 2 formulas. Okay, you've now created a formula generated graph. We'll post more videos soon to show how to change graph characteristics, use equation editors to get Braille math and graphs. We're going to show how to get Braille graphs from Desmos and much, much more. Look for more Irie-AT tactile graphics tips and trick videos coming soon.